Hi guys, hope you all are good and fine. Let's start getting our Christmas makeup look. Using Patanjali aloe vera gel for moisturizing and prepping my skin and applying all over my face to get moisturized. Now using Huda Beauty Foundation Illuminating Primer, which is water based gel primer, and taking few drops of it and applying all over my cheeks, to the chin area and to the forehead region of my face. Using Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 330, taking few drops of it on my hands and applying all over my face. Applying this foundation as a dot-like structure on my face so that the product can be easily blended and our foundation looks flawless on skin. Now for blending, I am using this pink beauty blender, and with the use of it, I will be dabbing it all over my face so that our foundation blends very easily and comfortably. After the foundation is applied, I will be using Color Essence HD foundation stick as a concealer, and I will be putting it under my eyes, to the upper and lower portion of lips, to the bridge of nose and to the chin areas. I will be using the same beauty blender and will be blending it to the area where I have used Color Essence HD foundation stick as a concealer. Blend very seamlessly and very easily. Now for setting our base, we will use Lakme Rose Powder, and I will be taking this brush with product in it and applying to the area where I have applied our concealer. Setting our base is very important in our makeup. After setting our base, we will be taking a sponge, that is the same beauty blender that I have used earlier, and will be setting all the products seamlessly on our face. After setting the powder, I will be taking Swiss Beauty Mini Eyeshadow Palette, and in that I will be picking darkest brown shade and will be using it as a contouring for my face. You can see that how I have put the contour on my face in which direction. Contouring is done for giving a perfect shape to your face. Now I will be using the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I will be using the two shades, that is the pinkish type tone and the red tone, and will be applying to our eyes as a eyeshadow. After applying it, oh my god, light is gone. Let it do it again. Yeah, so apply it very nicely, taking the concealer and making a crease line on our face. After the crease line is made, you have to take the shimmery shade and apply it to the place where you have put your concealer. Now do it same as usual to your second eye. After your second eye is done, I have taken this maroon lipstick from Kiss Beauty, and using this lipstick I will be applying it as a eyeliner to my face. Taking this thin and very lightly, you have to do it. Apply this lipstick as an eyeliner. Now I will be using this crystal black mascara for my eyes for enhancing and widening my lashes. After applying eyeliner, I am using this black shade from Jaclyn Hill palette as a kajal and applying it to the lower lash line. I'm filling my eyebrows with the same dark brown shade. Now for blush, I'm taking the pinkish type of tone and applying it as a blush to my cheeks. Gives glow to my face. Applying blush is my favorite. Now applying the same lipstick as a lipstick. So this is a red and maroon kind of lipstick that I have applied to my face. Now almost our makeup is done, and for setting our makeup I am using Huda Beauty makeup fixer and applying all over my face as a spray. Now take the same beauty blender and set it all over the face till it gets dry. After setting of makeup is done, taking this shimmery shade and applying it as the highlighter to the bridge of my nose and to the cheek areas. Also applying the same highlighter to the lower portion of the eyebrows to enhance the look. And will be applying the same shimmer shades to the upper lips and few of it to the lower lips to get the glowy lips. So yeah, this is the final look that you can see on the screen. All the products that I have used in this video are mentioned down below in the description box. So yeah, this is it for today's video. Hope you like it. Please do comment how much do you like it, and do not forget to subscribe my channel and follow me on my Instagram handle. The link is in the description. You can go and check out there. We'll meet you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.